Huh? What is this? It says a local Taco Bell is holding a raffle fundraiser. Oh my goodness. The individual cost of participating is given by the following expression: 10 plus 6 times t, where t represents the number of tickets someone purchases. Evaluate when t is equal to 1, t is equal to 8, and t is equal to 10. First of all, talk about what is happening. A fundraiser? Really? Second of all, let's figure this out. So evaluating the expression is just replacing t with a number. So we have t is equal to 1. Well, that's 10 plus 6 times 1. Well, 6 times 1 is just 6, so this would be 10 times 10 plus 10 plus 6, which is equal to 16. Okay, what about t is equal to 8? Okay, well, let's do 10 plus 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. And 48, so 10 plus 48 is equal to 58. Okay, very good, very good. Good job, my young Padawan. How about t is equal to 10? Well, that'd be 10 plus 6 times 10, which is equal to 10 plus 60. 6 times 10 is 60, which is just 10 plus 60 is 70. There we go. We've evaluated it. Stay in school.